Well, okay, hey guys. So I'm gonna be unboxing a couple of things that I ordered from Amazon. If I get this, I'm gonna like hit it with the mouth. Okay. Package. Here's the first item that I ordered. Auto Fiber Saver Applicator. These come in handy when you're doing, well, when I'm doing like ceramic coatings, because it's a little bit bigger that the coatings come with, because it's like a little circle. But this one is definitely bigger, as you can see, compared to my hand. And it comes with 12, sorry. Miscounted. 12 pack. Second item, this is just random. Like I just was like, okay, let me try it out. But this is a dental toolkit. It's not for, I'm not gonna be using it for my teeth. How do you open this thing? Just like,
one eternity later.
Oh, there's a hole. But I guess it's like these like tiny sharp ends can get in like to the nooks and crannies that like a brush can't get to. So you know, like if you spilled something and like there's gunk stuck in like the cracks, you can use this to remove it. And I also bought me a new brush. So these like work wonders. When I first started detailing, this is what I used. I didn't have one of those like the blower ones, so I had to use like a brush. I have the yellow one. So this one right here is like a good all-purpose one. I had to get a new one because the other one was literally like, the bristles were falling apart. You just put it on top of your drill, or any kind of drill. Just use this to like get like those stuck hair, maybe dirt, maybe there's something in there that you can't get with like a vacuum. This will definitely help out with that. It's color coded because it's different strengths. So it's like yellow is like medium, and you have like green, then it gets like stiff fur. That's a word. The white one is for like carpet and upholstery. And then one of the other items that I got is a foam cannon. It is a $20 foam cannon on Amazon. It doesn't look like that actually. It's a clear one. I don't know, I've been seeing this like on TikTok and other people's pages, so I was like, foam cannon to test it out, to see how well it works. If I can get this thing on there. Okay, perfect. Boom. A clear foam cannon for 20 bucks. I'm gonna actually, also I wanna see like if there really is a difference with a $100 one compared to a $20 one. Or if you can just save your money and just use one of these, you know, get the same results. So I'll be using this in another video. It comes with everything you need, and then it doesn't lock into place like how some does. That's it right here. You can open it to make it wider, closer. I mean, wider, or you can make it, never mind. I'll figure it out later what I'm trying to say. But there's another item that I did get also, and I believe, let's see, anything else in here? No. It is the Rag Company microfiber towels. But yeah, these are for like the wheels. So like if you have like really expensive wheels that you don't want to scratch with a brush, you can use these microfiber mitts. It does come with 2, I believe. Yeah, comes with 2. So I got this from Amazon for the wheels, for the rims. Catch you guys in the next one. Shoot!